Yes guys, welcome back to the channel. Yet again, it seems to be one video a week lately. Do apologise. I mean, I shouldn't apologise. This is what happens sometimes. It's just after Christmas and just getting back into the swing of things, and that's about it, mate, really. Mate, the boys. So I just thought I'd come out today because I've not done a video all week. You deserve some content. So I'm going to take the car for a drive in the wet. These are known for being quite lively in the wet, so I thought I'd put maybe a bit of a bad fairy to the test and see how she handles and how she reacts, just going up and down the roads, and see if we can find some nice little B roads, and I'll spin the camera around and we'll go from there. Bit of content, little bit of driving. Come with me, let's go and see what the car's like. Peace. Sorry for a bit of a shit intro there, boys. Just wanted to get out on the road. So yeah, it's pissing down. I don't know if you can tell that on camera, but yeah, it's shit weather. We've got it today and tomorrow. I just thought I'd come out and try and dispel a bit of rumours about these, man. See if you can hear some wheel slip if it's wet or not when we boost. The car has since decided to start boosting in 3rd, 4th, 5th and 6th at 1.1 bar. I cannot wait to get back into DDG. And then we'll go from there, and hopefully get her back running the way she should be and always will be running. Come on. Nice bangs and pops. Don't feel like there's much boost though in the lower gears. It's almost like it comes to life in like 3rd. The camera as well, because it does have a tendency to want to spin round and look at me when I'm driving. Not a bad thing as a blogger, but when I'm trying to fucking POV. Come on, mate. That was holding boost. It's what I'm after, just a bit more of it. I did have a car up my arse, but when I overtook that fucking whatever it was, it didn't come with me. Shit house. Sure if it's suffering from any sort of heat soak. It shouldn't be. I'll put the OBD on so I can get readouts. Need to find a little tunnel, boys, somewhere. Bit of traffic, kick back in a sec, boys. Got him wasting shitty footage. Fuck it! Just decided to turn around, might look clear, we're going back the other way. So yeah, boost is back to a certain extent. lower gears, not boosted. I think it catches on every now and again, and I get an absolute fucking ballistic first and second, and it'll go all the way up. Just every now and again it seems to like dump boost or something in first and second, and as soon as it realises, alright, but in third, it gives it me for some, I don't know why, if any of you can say. Yeah, 1.1. Fucking you do it! Fucking idiot. On a Sunday killing people. Yeah, grip. There's me out mooching in this. Moaning at them. Fair play. It says on the OBD I'm hitting 2, 3, 4, so I would imagine I'm close to standard boost maybe. It must be around the 1.1, 1.2, and that's in PSI or INHG, which is, yeah, at 1.1 bar I would imagine, converting. I do hope to get out a lot more this year, boys. This year's, as you can tell with the car, well, the last year, it's not been the best. Not really fancied mooching out with it anywhere. But after, hopefully, the positivity, you know, being well, we get out once we've been to DDG, set up some meets and whatnot, get to see you lot. If it was going for the fourth gear wheel spin then, boys. Ah, there's a little tunnel up here. And I've just took the wrong turning. You absolute bastard. This way, this is where there's a little tunnel. It's only tiny, and there's a corner right at the end of it coming this way, so I might have to turn round and go through it the other way. I've shown it before. It's tiny. Oh, this guy does know it's Sunday. Should just be up here. Boom, magic of cinematographer or videographer, summitographer. And we turn around. See now there's nothing. I just wanted to change gear, didn't want to hurt it. That's first and second. We've heard it in third, fourth. Yeah, you've heard it in third and fourth, you know, went up the hill pretty well. There's got to be something small. Map. Some map tweak, something's been hit, something's been messed about with. When it was in the garage or whatever, someone stuck a computer on it, not knowing what they're doing. Half these garages, you haven't got a clue, have they? Oh, I'm gone, mate. time anyway. I always try not to pop and bang next to dogs and stuff, man. I do care. Old people and dogs, that's my rule, man. Other than that, everyone else is fair game. Smoked by this, man. Nothing low down. Where we going, lad? With an Astro in the rain. Shut up. Mouth's not drying after all that adrenaline. Just need to sort out them lower gears, boys, and get that extra 60 brake back. I'll show you the picture of the OBD, what power we just ran, and then I'll end that there, the boys. Don't forget though, if you enjoyed the video, always like, comment and subscribe. Get on to the next one, boys. Jump in. Let's do it. It's sort of safe. So that's the readout we got today, boys, off it in the little POV. 23447. Did seem to feel like it backed off around 5k. So yeah, that's where we're at, man. Peace. So boys, if you're lucky enough and committed enough to the channel to stay for this bit at the end, I've just thought I'd come down here and show you these 3 quick tunnels. So yes, lads, you made it. Smashed it to the tunnels. Keep watching all the time to the end. You never know what you're gonna get. Mad respect, boys. better go in the other way. Which I will do. I'm going to go back that way anyway, so twice the tunnels, guys. Right boys, thank you for watching it again. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.